Maareeyaha Hay'adda Dekedaha Somaliland Cali Diiriye Axmed oo muddooyinkii u dambeeyay waraysiyo kala duwan siinayay warbaahinta caalamka kadib aqoonsiga ay Somaliland ka heshay dowladda Israa'iil. Warbaahinta dunida ayaa indhaha waxay ku haysaa buqcadda istiraatiijiga ee dekeda Berbera, halkaasi oo muddooyinkii u dambeeyay ay ka sameynayeen warbixino kala duwan oo ay caalamka ugu soo bandhigayaan muhiimadda ay dekedani u leedahay caalamka. Maareeyaha ayaa waxa waraysiyo kala duwan uu siiyay saxafiyiin ka kala socday jariiradaha Financial Times, Bloomberg, sidoo kale NRC Honorable. Maareeyaha ayaa wax laga weydiiyay aqoonsiga ay Somaliland heshay, waxaanu maareeyuhu kaga jawaabay sida tani.
Well, international recognition would give Somaliland a full legal status as a sovereign state. This confirms Somaliland's right to self-determination after more than 30 years of, de facto independence.
Right.
We're now on our way to. We're already on our way to the jure state. Of course, it allows to participate officially in international organizations such as the United States, African Union, World Bank, and IMF. Although we already had relations to the world and signed some international agreements with the international bodies like countries and international organizations like DP World, it further enables us to sign for more binding international, treaties and agreements directly. Recognition would finally transform Somaliland from unrecognized but stable entity into fully legitimate member of the international community.
Okay, great, perfect. Yeah. And just one little follow-up. Obviously, recognition, it is a huge opportunity, right?
Yeah.
More could follow, but there's also been some resistance in the region to that from countries like Egypt and Turkey and Saudi Arabia. How do you think Somaliland can protect itself from potential, insecurity and instability generated by these countries?
Well, we are definitely prepared for this, and we as a government and collectively with our people, recognition or getting recognition from the world community is our self-determination. It's our destiny. These countries you have mentioned do care about their interests, and we care about our interests. We're fully prepared. They cannot make any destabilization within our country. We manage here. Everything is in our hand, and I am fully confident that we can cope with it. And we are in a modern international world where we have other partners, a very powerful partners. I don't think any country can come and occupy our land and can capture us. And politically, they cannot do anything, not to go into that, extent. We even expect them to recognize us. We have the right to be recognized by the international community. We used it to be a state, the jure state. We regained our independence. We have fulfilled all the requirements of statehood. We have, well-registered boundaries known by the world. We have got our own fixed population. We have good relations with the international community. We have already signed international binding agreements with international bodies. We have fully functional government that contributes the collective responsibilities of peace in the region. So there is no reason that any external entity might destabilize in our country.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ahmed.
Most welcome.